Tonight, investigators with the World Health Organization are shooting down the theory that the coronavirus was leaked from a lab in Wuhan, China. They say the virus likely jumped to humans from an animal. Meanwhile, tonight, the fight against the virus here in the U.S. continues as the demand for vaccines exceeds the supply. Here's CBS's Carter Evans.
Tonight, California's largest mass vaccination site administering its first shots at the home of the San Francisco 49ers. But the state still can't get the vaccine fast enough.
It's an issue now of scarcity. It's an issue of supply.
This week, Los Angeles County is reserving more than half of its vaccine supply for people in need of a second dose. In Alabama, several counties are only offering second doses. More than 30 million Americans have received a first dose of the Pfizer or Moderna vaccine, but less than a third have received their second.
We really need to get to 3 to 4 million immunizations a day to really get ahead of this.
The Biden administration says it's increasing available doses by 500,000 starting next week, and Pfizer says it's figured out how to cut vaccine production time nearly in half. But it means nothing if you can't get shots into arms fast. That's where Air Force General Glenn Van Herk comes in. He's in charge of the massive military effort to staff some vaccination sites with up to 10,000 active duty service members, and he spoke with us exclusively.
I expect forces to deploy in this upcoming weekend to be ready to go early next week.
Beginning with troops to staff a new vaccination site in hard-hit Los Angeles,
which will be capable of delivering around 3,000, 6,000 shots per day.
It sounds like a lot, but we need millions of shots.
The FEMA director assures me that we're ramping up capacity right now.
Now, California teachers are still waiting for their turn at vaccination sites like this one. And tonight, CBS News has learned that CDC guidance on reopening schools will suggest that teachers do not need to get vaccinated before returning to the classroom, as long as the schools follow safety guidelines to stop the spread, like wearing masks and social distancing. But Nora, those guidelines are still being finalized and could change.
Carter Evans with a lot of big news tonight. Thank you, Carter.